So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Samsung Digital Inverter AC remote in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next mode after that is Eco. Eco mode uses less compressor capacity than normal mode, which reduces energy consumption. This allows you to cool more efficiently when it's not too hot outside or anytime, saving energy and money, so you don't have to worry about electricity bills. After that the next button is Mode. The Mode button has 5 functions. On pressing the Mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Now the mode is in Cool. Now the mode is in Dry. Now the mode is in Heat. Now the mode is in Fan. Now the mode is in Auto. Now I will tell you about the modes in detail in very simple words. In Cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in Cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is Dry. You can use Dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in Dry removes that humidity. The next mode is Heat. Note that you can use Heat mode only if your AC supports Heat mode. If your AC does not support Heat mode, you cannot use Heat mode. If your AC supports Heat mode, you can heat your room in cold weather by using Heat mode. The next mode after that is Fan mode. In Fan, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use Fan mode, you can use it. After that, if you press the mode button again, Auto mode will come. In Auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. After that the next button is Fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is low. Right now the fan speed is medium. Right now the fan speed is high. Right now the fan speed is auto. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. After that the next button is Timer on. By pressing the Timer on button, the timer on time is displayed. To turn on the AC automatically, we have to first set the time in Timer on. You can set the time from 1 hour to 24 hours in the timer. Suppose I want my AC to turn on automatically in 1 hour. So now I will set 1 hour with the Timer on button on the remote. Now I have set the time of Timer on in the remote. Now the timer on will be set automatically. After that the next button is Timer off. By pressing the Timer off button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we have to first set the time in Timer off. You can set the time from 1 hour to 24 hours in the timer. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the Timer off button on the remote. Now I have set the time of Timer off in the remote. Now the timer will turn off automatically. Now you can also check the time you have set by pressing the Timer on and Timer off buttons. If you want to cancel the timer, press the power button on the remote twice and the timer will be cancelled. The next button is Sleep. The Sleep mode on Samsung air conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period of time. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC settings. This mode creates a cool, quiet environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button after that is Fast. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes. But by pressing the Fast button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from somewhere outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the Fast button. In this the room cools very quickly. The next button is Swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up-down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by long pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is direct. By pressing the direct button, you can manually use the swing flap wherever you want to set the swing flap. The next button is LED. By pressing the LED button, the display of your AC will turn off, but your AC will remain on. This button can be used only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.